Hey everybody, it's Jeannie from Jeannie's Palette. Thanks again for joining us for Take Five's Friday playlist. And this week's theme is Mixed Media Magic. My co-host is my friend Christy from Funky Junk Inspiration. Check out my description for the tag to her channel, as well as the link to the entire playlist. All right, let's get started. I just grabbed, well, besides that one little one, I grabbed one of each from my stash. And let's see, it's still going. The stash is still going. Look at that. Is that not beautiful? All right, now let me show you. I got just a few more napkins to show you. Two more, I think. Look at that. I think that has, I think it's supposed to be peaches. Maybe it's pumpkin. I don't know. It's pretty. Look at this one. So we got a lot to work with, don't we? And this one's just another one of the happy fall. Because I saw this one was torn. I don't know what happened to that. I've got a lot of stuff to work with. And let me show you what I have here. Look at these. Now, these have been out in the shop for, I don't know, 3 years. Came from Hobby Lobby. I love them. Hey, I'm using those, and let me put them over here. I did have to wipe them off. They were dusty. Now all this is like woodshed in my little thing here. And this came from, I don't know, Hobby Lobby. Isn't that pretty? And like I said, I don't know what happened to my material. So we're gonna wing it. We're gonna do the wood slices. Thank goodness I don't have to I'm gonna set this somewhere. Do both. So I'm gonna grab just some regular white paint. Let's get some white paint on these. And I would use chalk, but my white chalk paint is all dried up. I used to never use chalk paint, mainly because I usually paint on canvases. So, we'll try to move this along for you. I was thinking of like a Thanksgiving, a fall centerpiece. It could be all the time, It doesn't have to be for a specific holiday. But I had something in mind here for the leaves and the little, I got some little wood slices, some round ones. What do I do with them? I plan to have this part done as usual, but I didn't realize I had to clean them. Stop. So I don't know. It might not be copyrighted. I got some wood stuff on here, but I love these. I did miss a couple of people today, so I'll have to go back and watch the replay. Wood slices. So many. And most I only saw part of there, because I was in and out. Ceiling paintings and that sort of thing. All right, let's just do a little bit on these. I want to just like right around in the center, maybe. That could do some of them orange. I don't know. I wasn't planning to put a napkin on every one of them, but I might. So I have so many. And that's just the pictures. I had so much stuff I had bought over the years, and it was out in the shop and out in the garage and in my just sitting around utility room, different places. What was I gonna say? Oh, but I've bought 2 rugs for it. I'm gonna have to return both of them because the first one, I thought it was mostly pink, a little bit of white. It was mostly white. I mean, white. So that would not work well in there. And then I had, I got another one, and it's pink, but it's so light, and it does have a lot of white. Alright, let me get this done here. Going kind of fast on it. I know it don't seem fast to y'all, does it? I did like a, I don't know why I keep showing y'all that. Here's a little white wood slice. Hey, Sheila. And I really, I just love this one. I think the most. It's so delicate. Let's get our plies off of it. This is a 3-ply napkin. I don't know what people save this for. I save it and then I end up throwing it away because, you know, what I'm supposed to do with it. Mod Podge on my fingers here. So I can't get a hold of a corner. Beautiful napkin. Just real delicate flowers on that. Let's see here. Let's find the perfect little spot. And I have a little sanding block, but I had taken it to the booth too. I took so much stuff there, so we won't be doing that. I don't like the sanding sound anyhow. Just saying. I don't like that sound. I might need a lesson in the rice paper department. Alright, let's get a Mod Podge on. Whew. Anyway, I'm scared I've done all this work, spent all this money, and nobody's gonna want my stuff. Nobody's gonna want my paintings. I don't know, you know. I'm up front. It's stuff here. I've heard people talk about doing that. I have good intentions of doing a lot of things. This actually happened. Like all that furniture and stuff I had bought, and now it's in that booth. And I used to own an antique store, and I have a 45-foot container full. Now what am I going to do? I thought this would just rip easily. Was my plan. I might have to get my scissors out. I'm a painter. Here's a disclaimer. I love to craft. I'm a painter. I'm a painter. Look at these leaves though. All those that we're gonna miss it, huh? Just kidding, y'all. Just kidding. Hey, it's a late Friday. I'm gonna tell you what, traffic was something else today. I had to run to Sam's, and people drive crazy. Scary, scary, scary. Jamie made that beautiful stack. It looks pretty wrinkle free. Isn't that pretty? Alright, let's see here. Now, I might need some help on this. I ordered these brushes from Timu. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with them. But I do have some antique wax. Am I supposed to use that on that? I don't know. Y'all let me know. And I think I'm going to do, let's see what else I got here. I'm going to do this, one of the other ones in that same paper. Here. Oh, I love this napkin. These napkins are too pretty to use for your mouth and stuff. Huh? Let's went with that one. Here's what we got. I love them. I wanted to do a little bit different. Let me grab out, let's see here, because I have something I want to put on it. I got hair that wants to get in my mouth. That's right, pretty, isn't it? I don't know that it'll go with that. I think it'll match. I put something like that on one of them. It says gather on it too. I don't know where I got these. I'm shedding. So I think they may still have them. They may. Let's just cut this right here right quick. Not dealing with it so much at a time. Yeah, I think that'll be pretty. Just put our, y'all know how to decoupage. I know. I love decoupage. But it's not something that, you know, I'm not going to have any revelations on it for you. Hey, Patty. Yeah, that's me. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to put some of that stuff up here. Ooh. I need a water pen. Look at these wet brushes. There's a wet brush. On the edge. How about that? Make it a little easier for us. I think I had a whole thing of brushes in water, huh? I do appreciate y'all spending part of your Friday with me, starting the weekend out together. I know I love these napkins. I love them. I loved your candy canes too, Kim. Alright, let's get this. Alright, slow down, JT. That's just something to bore y'all. Got paint stuck to me. Trying to paint a ladder today at my booth so I can hang these, like, you know, all of them like that. I'm gonna just, you know, the awareness spot. Look at here, I got awareness. This is, you know, October is breast cancer awareness. And ladies, we need to get our screening done. Get it done. Just pull that right over. I got a piece of napkin in there. Got a piece of napkin in there. Myself. Have I done? Yeah. I think it's pretty. I think it's very pretty. Okay. Oh. Alright, let's go back to that other leaf. Just in case. Don't have time to do. It's still sticky. Little rub-on thing. It says, God is within her, she will not fall. Psalm 46:5. That's a rub-on transfer that I got from Amazon, and I thought, with it being fall, that would be cute on here. So let's get it on. Right there. I got this thing here. I'm gonna just use this. I'm gonna just use this. And it's got a cute little flower. It might kind of blend in with the other. I might go back and put some of those pieces of napkin around the edges. Let's see if this will fill up. It's not the easiest thing in the world, I'm going to tell you. But they do have some cute, nice scripture and cute little flowers and different things on there. Alright, so let's see here. Let me grab this right quick so you can go and see our next person. Should be able to see what I've got here. I wanted to put a little, I don't know if that's going to work or not, that in there. The little wood slices. Let's put them at different angles here. And then we'll just put the other ones with some more pretty napkins. That's what I've got for my wood slices. I think it turned out right pretty. I'm going to put some brown edging around that leaf that's so white and use that antique wax with the brush as you guys told me to do. Alright guys, don't forget to see beauty, especially within yourself. If you can't see it there, it's impossible to see it any place else. And I do appreciate you being here tonight. You could have been any place else, and you're here with me. And I love you. And go see our next. Once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you will give me a like and a subscribe. Check out the description for the link to the playlist so you can see everyone else, and check out my friend Christy from Funky Junk Inspirations channel as well. Ta-ta for now.